大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Mom is on a diet, or is she? Watch what happens when her healthy salad turns into a fried chicken feast with extra cheese and 5 giant scoops of mayo. Will her daughter spill the truth? This hilarious Chinese family skit is full of surprises, laughs, and everyday language, perfect for Chinese learners. Don't miss the comedy twist and useful phrases you will actually use. In this episode, you will learn super useful Chinese words related to dieting and food, funny and natural daily conversation in Mandarin, key grammar points like how to use 可是结果、真会、怎么回事, and more. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate learner, this video is packed with laughs, learning, and language you can actually use. Let's get started.
妈妈，你不是说你要减肥吗？
这是最后一口，我发誓明天一定减肥。
你昨天也说最后一口，结果吃了3块。
你不是说要去留学吗？怎么在这儿做兼职？我发誓明天一定和你去看日出。比赛结果出来了，他忘了带伞，结果变成了落汤鸡。落汤鸡 literally means a chicken that fell into soup, and it's a humorous Chinese idiom meaning someone who is soaking wet, usually from heavy rain.
1、2、3，不行了。
要不要一边做运动一边看美食节目呢？
我在运动，别打扰我。
再吃一碗吧。
不行了，我肚子都撑死了。
这条鱼好像快不行了。我煮了方便面，你要不要来一碗？要不要去？你来决定。我在休息，别大声嚷嚷。我在看电视，别干扰我。
今天我们吃健康午餐沙拉。
这是健康餐吗？你可是加了炸鸡、起司，还有5大勺沙拉酱。
我不加这些，你会吃吗？
妈，我看你还是放弃减肥吧，总是拿我当借口。
他想和朋友去旅行，可是没时间去。他可是学校的学霸。看电视，看书，去看医生，到医院看朋友。看情况，看你咯，看不出来。我看你 is used to make a light judgment, tease, or express suspicion. 我看你是故意把东西弄丢的。
你又想干嘛？
我只是检查冰箱有没有坏掉。
检查需要吃一口冰淇淋吗？
小明又忘了带笔记本去学校，所以被老师骂了。别当真，他只是跟你开玩笑而已。你喝一口就知道咖啡里有没有放糖。
哎呀，我是不是又胖了？
你不是胖，你是有福气。
你嘴巴真会说话，是不是有想要的东西啊？
不好意思，你是不是彼得？你是不是拿错了我的手机？看你个子小小的，还真会吃。
妈妈，你明天还减肥吗？
当然，妈妈是不会这么轻易放弃的。
那冰箱里的蛋糕是怎么回事？
睡觉啦。
他从不轻易放弃。他说着说着就哭了，他是怎么回事？这到底是怎么回事？ Let's go through the grammatical points we have learned in this video. 不是吗 expressing disbelief. 发誓 to swear or to vow. 结果 result, outcome, or as a result. 不行了 cannot take it anymore or about to. 要不要 plus verb. Do you want to? 在 plus verb, the first part of the sentence, the second sentence using 也。在 plus verb means in the middle of doing something. 别 means don't. 可是 is a conjunction or adverb meaning but, yet, however. It can also be used for emphasis, meaning truly or indeed. 看 or 我看你 看 means see. 我看你 looks to me like you something, or literally means I see you. You plus verb is doing something again, implying repetition or blame. 只是 just or only. 有没有 plus verb, whether something happened or exists. 是不是 meaning is or isn't or unsure. 真会 plus verb, really know how to. 轻易放弃 easily give up or give up easily. 怎么回事 can mean what happened or what's with. Looks like Mom's diet might need a little more focus. If you enjoyed this hilarious family moment and learned some useful Chinese phrases, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next laugh-filled language adventure. What's your favorite healthy but not really food? Leave us a comment. See you in the next episode. 再见。